Students, how are you all? Today we start chapter 11, that is measurement of capacity. Okay, standard unit of measuring liquids is 1 liter. Okay, a liter is divided into 1000 equal parts. Each small part is called 1 milliliter, ml. Okay, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters or 1000 ml. Large quantities are measured in liters. Okay, and small quantities are measured in milliliters. Kerosene oil, petrol, milk, etc. are measured in liters, but medicine is measured in milliliters. So students, we start exercise 11.1. Question 1, tick the correct measure. Okay, here a water bottle has been given and two measurement of capacity are given, 100 ml and 100 liters. Okay, this is a small bottle. Okay, it can hold very small quantity of water. The capacity of water bottle will be in milliliters. Okay, 100 ml is the correct answer. ये जो 100 liters है, it is a very big quantity. Okay, equal to small tank of water. So 100 ml is the correct answer. So students, here a pressure cooker has been given. Pressure cooker can hold capacity of water of 2 liters, 3 liters, 5 liters or 10 liters. Students, 3 ml is a very small quantity. Okay, so 3 liter answer is the answer for this is 3 liters. You can see the water tub here. Okay, students, a water tub can hold water up to 20 liters, 30 liters, and this 20 ml is a very small quantity. So the answer for this is 20 liters. Students, here a tablespoon has been given. Students, a tablespoon can hold a very small quantity of water. Okay, and here it is 5 ml or 500 ml, and 500 ml is equal to half a liter. Okay, so this can hold very small quantity of water, so 5 ml will be the correct answer. Question number 2, students, how much milk will be measured by using the containers of the following capacity? Okay, यहाँ पे मिल्क लिया गया और कंटेनर्स दिए गए फॉलोइंग कैपेसिटी के. ए पार्ट इज 1 500 ml एंड 1 200 ml. एक कंटेनर है 500 ml का एंड दूसरा कंटेनर है, वन कंटेनर इज ऑफ 200 ml. ओके, यहाँ से हमें क्या मिलेगा स्टूडेंट्स? सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट. 1 इंटू 500 ml, 1 इंटू 500 ml जब हम करेंगे दैट इज 500 ml. 1 इंटू 200 ml, एक जो है 200 ml का है, 1 इंटू 200 ml इज इक्वल टू 200 ml. Okay, now we add both this 500 ml plus 200 ml, that is 700 ml. Okay, milk will be measured by using the containers. B part is your homework. यहाँ पर भी हमने बताना है स्टूडेंट्स हम कितना मिल्क मेजर कर पाएंगे. इफ़ यू हैव 3 500 ml and 100 ml. Okay, so let's solve it. 3 into 500 ml. Okay, is equal to 1500 ml and 100 ml का है 1 into 100 ml is equal to 100 ml. Now 1500 ml plus 100 ml that is equal to 1600 ml. Now students अगर हमने पता लगाना है कि इस जो 1600 ml में इसमें कितने लीटर्स एंड कितने ml हैं. सो 1 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 ml, 1 ml is equal to 1 upon 1000 liters. Now 1600 ml is equal to 1600 upon 1000 liters. So students, if we have 3 zeros here, हमारे डिनोमिनेटर में 3 zeros है, हम पॉइंट कहाँ लगाएंगे स्टूडेंट्स? इस फ्रैक्शन को हमने डेसिमल में चेंज करना है तो 1 2 एंड 3, यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट्स के बाद पॉइंट लगेगा 1 2 3.1. 1.600 लीटर्स है. सो this will be equal to 1 liter and 600 ml. D part is your homework. Question number 8, students. Question number 3 to 7 is not in the syllabus. Question number 8. A container has 2550 ml of water. How many liters and milliliters of water is in the container? Okay, container जो है हमें जो आंसर चाहिए वो चाहिए हमें लीटर्स में और मिलीलीटर्स में बोथ. Okay, so solution, water in the container, how much water is in the container? 2550 ml as it is given in the question. Students, we know that 1 ml is equal to 1 upon 1000 liters. So 2550 ml is equal to 2550 upon 1000 liters. Okay, यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में 3 zeros हैं. अगर हम इसको डेसिमल्स में चेंज करते हैं तो यहाँ पे पॉइंट कहाँ पे आएगा? 1, 2 एंड 3 डिजिट्स के बाद. ओके, 3 zeros हैं तो 3 डिजिट्स के बाद पॉइंट आएगा मूविंग फ्रॉम राइट towards left. 2.550 liters. When we change, we want the answer in liters and milliliters both, so it will be equal to 2 liters and 550 ml. Question number 9, students. Mansi bought 13 liters 250 ml milk in the first week and 12 liters 500 milk in the second week of February. How much milk did she buy in 2 weeks? मानसी ने कितना मिल्क लाया फर्स्ट वीक में? 13 लीटर्स. 13 लीटर्स 250 ml एंड सेकेंड वीक में 12 लीटर्स 500 ml. हमने टोटल बताना है कि उसने टोटल मिल्क कितना लाया 2 वीक्स में ऑफ द इन द मंथ ऑफ फेब्रुवरी. ओके, सो सोल्यूशन, मिल्क बॉट इन द फर्स्ट वीक. यहाँ पे लीटर्स लिख लो और यहाँ पे मिलीलीटर्स. राइट द फिगर ऑफ लीटर्स हेयर एंड मिलीलीटर्स हेयर. Milk bought in the first week 13 liters 250 ml. Milk bought in the second week is 12 liters and 500 ml. Now students, add both these. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 5 7. Okay, 750 ml. 3 plus 2 5, 1 plus 1 2, 25 liters and 750 ml. So total milk bought in 2 weeks is 25 liter and 750 ml. Okay. Question number 10 is your homework, students.